What is up, my Vangabonders? I thought I would give you guys a bit of an update on the current direction of my restoration. This video is going to be a bit shorter, as when you're watching this, I will be snowboarding on the mountains of Colorado, but I want to keep you all up to date on the status of the project. When I first started brainstorming how I would treat the undercarriage of the bus, I thought I would paint the entire thing in POR 15 and then a rubberized undercoating. After much research, it seems that this wouldn't be the best idea, as the rubberized undercoatings tend to chip and crack through time and end up retaining moisture, which can lead to rust down the line. The conclusion I've come to is that I'll be using POR 15 to treat all the rust in the frame and undercarriage, and then with the help of some POR 15 self-etch primer and a few generous coats of epoxy primer, I'll be painting the entire underside of the bus in brilliant orange, which is the original color of the bus. Here are some inspirational bus undersides to help you understand what my goal is. This is unfortunately going to have to be done in sections, as clearly I do not have a lift nor rotisserie, hence why I removed the front beam and have the bus in rocket ship liftoff mode. Once the entire frame and undercarriage are painted, it'll all get treated with wax oil. Next week, regular uploads shall resume, and you'll get to see how we refreshed the original steering box, along with some more restoration work. Now, to catch you all up on how we dropped the beam, here are some short highlights from last weekend's stream.
Yeah, everything is like German themed. They do like big.
We're down to just removing the shifter linkage, brake booster, shifter rod, which is the same thing, lol, and then any electrical wire.
It actually worked. It actually worked.
The shifter linkage. Ah! It's hot! Holy cannoli!
Gosh.
Shock absorbers. Now we're down to the brake booster and any electrical wiring, and then we should be able to go ahead. Oh wait, emergency brake cables. We can't forget that. That could be an issue.
Be easy, though.
Oh God, oh God. Well, there goes one hose. I'm being showered in brake fluid. It's okay, it's worth it. Ow.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing at you, but it's just...
Yes.
So I'll say one.
Alright,
You say it, I'll say 1, 2.
Alright, ready?
Alright.
Well, I have to guess the same number as him, and he'll go get the pressure washer.
I'm gonna count down.
Alright, ready?
Count down. 3.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
10.
Oh, that was...
As you can see, the beam itself is not really in bad conditions. It's not rusted out where it normally is, and I will be having to replace all the tie rod ends, ball joints, and all that kind of stuff, but thankfully I'm just going to have to POR 15 the beam and put it back on. If you made it to the end of the video, I'd like to thank you for watching, remind you to leave a comment, as it really makes a difference in how the video performs and how the channel performs. Bear with me with this short update video. The regular long form videos will be back next week, and I love you all. Thanks for watching.